to the channel. Today we're going to be jumping into a topic that a lot of people have questions about, and that is how much can you make running a cleaning service business? There's going to be several factors that are going to play into this, and we're going to dive into each of these and run through a list to maybe give you a little bit better idea of the potential in this industry. The first thing to understand about the potential income you could make in this industry is the type of cleaning service you would like to offer. Now, the cleaning industry is vast, and it can be everything from residential home cleaning to commercial cleaning such as offices, or even commercial along the lines of more industrial cleaning. And there's many specialized fields you can get into, and these are going to include some things such as vent and hood cleaning, and this is specific in restaurants and commercial kitchens, even to crime scene cleanup. Obviously, the more specialized the service you provide is, the higher the potential for income, but the work may not be as consistent as other more common lines such as the residential home cleaning or office cleaning. This falls into our next section, which is the frequency of cleaning. Obviously, like I just said, the more specialized the cleaning field you're in, the less frequently work is going to come about, or not as consistently. Office cleaning, residential home cleaning, you can typically schedule these daily or weekly in a lot of cases. Crime scene cleanups, again, that's going to be kind of infrequent depending on your location, and also how many contractors there are in an area doing these more specialized cleanups. And again, this specialized cleans, they could again be hood and vent cleaning in restaurants. If you're in a larger market, you can definitely schedule these more specialized services, specifically the hood and vent cleaning, more frequently to make up some of that difference and make it more of a consistent income. One amazing thing about the cleaning service industry for a lot of people is it allows you to start a business but start small. There's not really a need for a lot of upfront investment unless you're going into a specialized field, which most people aren't going to jump right into. Most people are going to start with offices or homes, or in some areas vacation rentals, and again, these don't require a large upfront investment, which makes it a great industry to try out and just see if you have a knack for this. There's many factors that can influence your earning potential. The largest one is going to be the location. More urban areas are obviously going to have more demand than a more rural area, but this shouldn't really deter you because you can always branch out. This is a mobile business, and you're allowed to drive outside of your area. So again, location does play a big part, but it's not the only factor. The next one up is going to be your ability to market services. The better you are at marketing, specifically online marketing now, as a lot of businesses and neighborhoods don't appreciate people soliciting to them. Being able to do this online, via social media, or email marketing is a big thing to help increase your income early on especially, and hopefully after that word of mouth will start getting around. But up front, your ability to market and acquire new customers is going to play a major factor in the income you can earn. This one goes without saying, but the quality of your service. You can't just acquire customers and not put forth an effort and just hope to grow your business. The quality of service you provide, both the cleaning service and the customer service to your clients, are going to play a major factor in how much you're able to grow your business. This next thing's a tough one for a lot of people to venture up into, myself included, and that's scaling your business. Now, this is taking yourself, being a solopreneur or just an individual who's doing this for a few clients, and you've created some demand and there's more customers now than you're able to service yourself. Hiring and scaling your business is an obstacle for a lot of us, and rightfully so. You want to make sure you're hiring people who would do just as well as you would, or would do things up to your standard. And that can be tricky for a lot of people, and a lot of people, for this reason, don't scale as much as they should. Again, I know this was brief and we didn't really delve into exactly how much you can make, and there's a reason for that. The income potential, the earning potential of this business is always up to the person doing the work. It's up to the business owner. You can create this and grow it to whatever you want it to be. There's really no limits other than the geographic market and the income of clients and businesses that you're servicing. With that being said, it's up to you. You can make a good living, you can make a great living in this industry. It's up to you. If you're thinking about starting it, just do your research first. Look at your market, make sure there is some demand there before you get started. Typically what I found is once you see a little demand, there's a lot more that's not accounted for in your research. And there's always potential to grow from there. Just because you start off cleaning homes doesn't mean you're not going to acquire new skills and new expertise and decide to do restaurant kitchen cleaning later. This is really an industry that you have a lot of freedom to dive into and make it into something for yourself. With all that being said, I'd like to thank you for watching today. I hope you have some insight now on how to kind of gauge your market, see what the potential is, see if this is something you're interested in doing. And please like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave questions down below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think. And until next time, thanks.